I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting.
Good morning, everyone. It is a bright and sunny day here down the shore. It is 10:26 right now, and I'm about to make myself some breakfast. So I'm going to have some oatmeal. I'm going to have apples and cinnamon. So basically what I'm going to do is put it in a bowl, put the amount of water that I need to put in it, and then stir it up and put it in the microwave for 45 to 60 seconds.
When the sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Along with my oatmeal, which I know is kind of gross, don't mind that, I'm having some strawberries and pineapples and a glass of milk.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues.
Okay, I finished my breakfast and now I'm going to be brushing my teeth and putting my hair up in a bun.
Yeah, walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just
Beach bag. I'm just using this backpack. I have no idea how to pronounce that name, so I'm not even going to try. And these are all the things that I'm packing in it. So I thought I would show you my essentials. First things first, you need beach tags because sometimes they do come around and ask for them. A towel, a little face sunscreen thing because my face gets burnt really easily, my wallet, sunglasses, a mask, chapstick, phone charger, water bottle that I'm going to fill, a book. I haven't started reading this yet, but I want to start it. My AirPods, a portable charger, and 2 types of sunscreen because I normally use a spray, but this one is almost out, so I'm bringing this just in case. shower now. It's been like 25 minutes because I took a really long shower, but I'm just in the same clothes I was in before because I took them off right when I got to the beach, and then I only put them back on to walk home, so I probably only wore them for like half an hour in total. So I didn't think it was worth putting on a whole different outfit and getting other clothes dirty when I could just wear these ones, because also I just showered, so now I'm clean. But anyway, I'm going to go walk to this cafe that's about 9 blocks away, I think, and get some lunch from there. I'm either gonna get a panini or a salad or something. So I'm back now, like 45 minutes later, and it should not have taken me that long. It was a bigger ordeal than I had imagined. Basically, I got to the cafe and they were closed. It was like 2:05 at that point, and right now it's 2:35. They were closed because I guess they must close at 2, even though their website said they were open until 4. So the supermarket is in the same shopping plaza as that. So I just went in there and I got this chicken with peanut sauce, and basically you just like microwave it and it's like one meal. So I'm gonna have that for lunch now. And then I think I was either gonna get takeout for lunch or dinner, and since I didn't end up getting it for lunch, I'll probably end up getting it for dinner. Basically, what I've learned is that this thing takes so long to cook, like a lot longer than other frozen meals that I've had, because you have to put it in for 3 minutes and then stir it and then put it back in for another 2 minutes. So I decided that I'm gonna have some fruit while I wait because I'm starving. So, change of location. I'm now in the car. I ate my lunch and just hung out for a little bit, and now it's 3:45 and I don't really have anything to do, so I thought I would go for a drive, and I'm actually gonna go to Starbucks and try this drink sorry, I don't like how my hair looks right now. And try this drink that I saw on TikTok and do a review of it. So it's about a 25-minute drive, and I'm gonna get going and just jam out to some fun music, but I will not record it because I don't want to get copyrighted. So I made it to Starbucks and I got my drink. I'm parked in the parking lot now, and I'm going to do a little taste test. So it's just a venti iced coffee. I got decaf because it's like 4:30 almost, with non-fat milk, no classic syrup, and skinny mocha syrup. So I saw this on TikTok. It's supposed to be like a low calorie option, but apparently it still tastes good, so we're gonna try it out. I'm kind of skeptical because there's no like sugar, like there's no liquid sugar or anything. It's just the syrup, and I don't like the taste of black coffee, so we'll see how it goes. It looks like this. It's kind of like dark, I guess, because the mocha. You can definitely tell that there's no sugar in it. I guess if you like coffee, it might taste better because it's like very coffee tasting. Also, I feel like I can't really taste that much like mocha. I'm going to drive home now. I'm back from my bike ride now. It is 5:56, so basically 6 o'clock, and I know my face is red because I got sunburned, which is so annoying because I didn't see that when I first came back from the beach, but what can I do? I put moisturizer on, so hopefully that helped. I think I'm going to end today's video here because I'm not really doing anything for the rest of the night. So I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!